Welcome to our channel. Press the subscribe button and get notifications. Today I will discuss about how we earn money from YouTube. Number 1. Become a YouTube partner and earn money from ads. Number 2. You can sell products or merchandise. Number 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. Number 4. Let your audience support your work through fan funding. Number 5. License your content to the media. Number 6. Work with brands as an influencer or affiliate. Number 7. You can earn money by video sponsorship.